Feeding a hungry crowd just got simpler and faster. Best air fryer for large family models make it easy to whip up big batches of crispy favorites without the mess of traditional frying. These roomy appliances handle everything from weeknight dinners to weekend gatherings, saving time and counter space while delivering consistent, delicious results everyone will love. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Chefman 12-quart Air Fryer. This spacious 12-quart model shines when you need to prepare meals for a crowd without spending hours in the kitchen, combining air frying, baking, dehydrating, rotisserie, roasting, and reheating into one reliable unit that delivers crispy results with far less oil. Families love the built-in stainless steel spit that turns out juicy rotisserie chicken with golden skin, while the wide temperature range from 95 to 400 degrees lets you tackle everything from gentle dehydration to high-heat roasting. During the last couple of minutes, the high fry boost kicks up to 450 degrees for that extra crunch on favorites like chicken tenders or fries. And 12 intuitive presets on the touchscreen make operations straightforward even for busy parents. The large viewing window and interior light help you monitor progress without opening the door and losing heat, adding real convenience. Build quality feels solid for everyday use, though the capacity means it takes up noticeable counter space. Overall, it brings excellent value for large households seeking one appliance that handles quick weeknight dinners or weekend gatherings with minimal fuss and impressive performance. Number 2. Cuisinart TOA70NAS Air Fryer. Home cooks with big families appreciate this versatile toaster oven hybrid because its 1800-watt power and multiple functions, including air fry, convection bake, broil, grill, and warming, let you prepare complete meals from toast in the morning to roasted mains at dinner. The roomy interior easily accommodates 6 slices of bread, 3 pounds of wings, a full 12-inch pizza, or a 4-pound chicken, making it ideal for families who want to cook once and feed everyone. Air Advantage technology circulates hot air efficiently for fast, crispy textures that lock in flavor while cutting down on grease. And adjustable dial with 60-minute timer plus auto shutoff provides precise control up to 450 degrees without guesswork. Included accessories like the air fry basket, baking pan, and reversible grill simplify setup and cleanup thanks to the stainless steel interior. Operation feels premium and user-friendly, though the multi-function setup might require a short learning curve for absolute beginners. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful design deliver strong everyday value, especially for households that value flexibility and restaurant-quality results at home. Number 3. Ninja DT501 Air Fryer. Large families looking for speed and even results turn to this 10-in-1 powerhouse that handles air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, toasting, dehydrating with smart surround convection that bathes food from every angle for consistent crispiness. 2-level cooking eliminates the need for flipping or shaking, letting you prepare up to 9 slices of toast or a full batch of cookies simultaneously, while fitting a 12-pound turkey or 8 pounds of air-fried favorites. The quick 90-second preheat and faster cooking times compared to traditional ovens make weeknight dinners far less stressful, and it delivers up to 75% less fat than deep frying for healthier family meals everyone enjoys. Elegant styling fits nicely in modern kitchens, and the straightforward controls keep things simple during hectic evenings. Minor limitations include its larger footprint on the counter, but the performance and capacity more than compensate for busy households. This model stands out for its reliable build and ability to replace several appliances, offering outstanding long-term value through versatility and time savings. Number 4. Emeril 26-quart Air Fryer. When hosting big family meals or prepping snacks for hungry kids after school, this 26-quart multi-cooker combo excels by air frying, roasting, and handling other tasks with dual-speed fans that create 360-degree superheated circulation for perfectly golden, crispy results every time. The automatic toast shutoff prevents overcooking, while the indicator lights and ideal rack positioning ensure consistent outcomes without constant checking. Stainless steel construction gives it a sleek, professional look that elevates any kitchen, and the easy-pull French doors with interior lighting make monitoring large batches effortless during gatherings. Versatile enough for quick snacks or full holiday roasts, it combines power with thoughtful features that busy parents and entertainers appreciate. Ease of use stands out thanks to simple controls and straightforward cleanup, though the substantial size requires dedicated space. Minor limitations like slightly longer preheat for maximum loads feel negligible given how well it performs for crowds. Families gain tremendous value from its durability and ability to streamline cooking for groups without sacrificing quality or flavor.
Number 5. Midea Flexify Air Fryer. This 26.4-quart French door model impresses large households with its cyclone technology that cooks 25% faster using 90% less oil, thanks to even heating from multiple tubes and a convection fan that eliminates preheating for air frying. 10 functions covering air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, pizza, slow cook, dehydrate, and warm provide genuine flexibility for everything from weeknight wings to weekend meal prep. Precise controls in 5-degree temperature steps and 1-minute time increments up to 450 degrees give you fine-tuned accuracy, while the large capacity fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 toast slices, or 14 chicken wings comfortably. Stylish anti-scald doors and a clear LED display enhance the modern kitchen aesthetic, and included accessories like the crumb tray and racks support easy use and maintenance. Operation feels intuitive for all skill levels, with strong build quality that holds up to frequent family cooking. It may occupy more counter room than compact units, but the performance and convenience deliver exceptional value for those needing serious capacity and healthy cooking options. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.